Just subscribe the button and click the bell icon and go to the and just click the link below for everything. Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to block all call on the Facebook Messenger. If you have data open and anyone call to you and disturbing you, what can you do? Just you I can send to you easily. You can do something which is really better for you. I just simply go, for example, now I am going to the setting, and when I go to the setting for this purpose, if you want to block all the incoming call, what can you do? Just go to the setting, and when you go to the setting, here you will find the Facebook how face apps. Okay, now click on the apps. When you click on the apps, the all the mobile apps will show to you. All your mobile apps will show to you. You have to just find the you have to just find what, find messenger app. Okay, when you find messenger app, just go down. Okay, go down and find the messenger app. Where is the messenger app present? I am showing to you the messenger app is really good for you, but not showing here. Why or what is happening now? This is the messenger app m start from messenger, but why it is not showing here? But I am trying to find it in simple way. Here is the Facebook. This is the messenger app. Okay, when you click here, you have to just click on the permission. There is all the permission which you have can go to you. Now click on the notification. When you click on the notification bar, you have to just allow notification. You have to unselect it all. When you unselect it all, this all will be unselected. You have to just click this, and no messages, or you can ringtone off the ringtone. When logged off such all of this, then you cannot receive any message call. You cannot be disturbed. Okay, thanks for watching.